Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of axolotls, those quirky little amphibians that have captured the hearts of so many pet lovers and researchers alike. If you've ever seen one of these adorable creatures gliding through the water, with their feathery gills waving like little pink fans, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's explore some fun facts about axolotls and get into the nitty-gritty of how to care for these amazing pets. First off, let's talk about their unique nature. Did you know that axolotls are neotenic? This means they hold on to their juvenile features even as they grow up. While most salamanders undergo metamorphosis and venture onto land, axolotls stick to their aquatic lifestyle, keeping those charming external gills throughout their lives. It's like they're forever the eternal youths of the amphibian world, which is just one of the many reasons they're so captivating. Now, here's where it gets really mind-blowing. Axolotls have incredible regenerative abilities. If they lose a limb, part of their spinal cord, or even sections of their heart or brain, they can regrow those parts. And get this, they can regrow the same limb multiple times. Imagine if humans had that ability. You'd never have to worry about a stubbed toe or a paper cut again. This remarkable regeneration is a hot topic in scientific research, as understanding how axolotls do this could lead to breakthroughs in medicine and healing for humans. Speaking of fascinating traits, axolotls have the second largest genome in the animal kingdom. That's right, their genome is around 32 million base pairs long, 10 times larger than ours. This genetic complexity is not just a fun fact, it's a treasure trove for researchers looking to unlock the secrets of regeneration and other biological wonders. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn from these extraordinary creatures. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate their natural habitat. Axolotls are native to the ancient lakes of Xochimilco and Chalco in Mexico. Sadly, they are critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss, pollution, and competition from invasive species like carp and tilapia. This makes it even more important for us to understand how to care for them in captivity, ensuring that their legacy continues. When it comes to their diet, axolotls are carnivores. They primarily munch on worms, insects, crustaceans, and small fish. One interesting thing about them is that they don't have teeth. Instead, they use a suction method to consume their food. If you're thinking about bringing an axolotl home, you'll want to provide a varied diet, including earthworms, bloodworms, and specialized pellets. For juveniles, feeding them daily is crucial, while adults can be fed every 2 to 3 days. Just remember, avoid feeding them goldfish as they can be harmful. Breeding axolotls is another fascinating aspect of their life cycle. A female axolotl can lay anywhere from 200 to 1,000 eggs in a single spawning session. These eggs are usually attached to plants or other substrates in the aquarium for protection. If you're considering breeding, make sure to create optimal conditions and be ready to remove the eggs after mating to prevent them from being eaten by the adults. It's a whole world of responsibility, but also a rewarding experience. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of caring for these little guys. If you're thinking about adopting an axolotl, you'll need to pay close attention to their housing requirements. A minimum tank size of 60 centimeters, or about 24 inches, is recommended for one axolotl. And if you want to have more than one, make sure to get a larger tank. Water conditions are key. You should keep the water temperature between 14 degrees and 20 degrees Celsius. That's 60 degrees to 68 degrees for my Fahrenheit friends. And aim for a pH level between 6.5 and 7.5. A gentle filter is also essential to keep the water clean without creating strong currents, as axolotls prefer calm waters. When it comes to health considerations, always keep an eye out for signs of stress or illness like lethargy or refusal to eat. Clean water conditions are vital to prevent infections, and be cautious when housing different eaters together, as axolotls can be cannibalistic. Trust me, you don't want to witness that. Handling axolotls should be kept to a minimum, since they have sensitive skin. If you do need to move them, using a net is the best way to go. It's all about keeping them safe and comfortable in their environment. In conclusion, axolotls are not just captivating pets, they're remarkable creatures that offer endless fascination. With their unique biological traits and incredible regenerative abilities, they're a source of scientific interest and a joy to keep in captivity. If you're considering bringing one of these little wonders into your home, remember to provide them with the care they need to thrive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of axolotls, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts and insights. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.